In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a picture on Miro. Start by opening Miro in your web browser and going to the board where you want to place your image. This can be a new board or an existing one you are already working in. Once the board loads, take a moment to zoom in or pan to the area where you want the picture to appear. Choosing a clear spot first makes it easier to place and edit the image without overlapping other content. Next, look to the left side toolbar and open the menu called Tools, Media, and Integrations. This section contains the options for adding different types of content to your board. In that menu, find and select the option labeled Image and Icons. This is the main place in Miro for bringing visual elements into your workspace. After you open Image and Icons, you will see choices that let you add a visual in different ways. You can pick from available templates if you want something quick and ready-made, especially for common styles and categories. If you prefer something more specific, you can also generate a new image by typing your own prompt. When you write your prompt, be clear and descriptive. Include details like the subject, style, colors, and mood, so the result fits your board and your project. Once you have a set of image options on screen, review them and choose the one that works best for what you are building. When you select an image, it will be prepared to place on the board. Keep your layout in mind as you do this. If you are creating a presentation area or a mood board, leaving a little extra space around the image can make the board easier to read. Finally, click on Highlight. This helps you emphasize the image and make it stand out on the board. Highlighting is useful when you want to draw attention during a meeting or when you are guiding teammates to a specific visual in a larger workspace. Once you have done that, your picture is added and ready to use in Miro. That covers everything you need to know.